Look at the sky, man.
See those beautiful clouds I've ever seen.
Look at the clouds, man. It's almost like better than double rainbows, man. Oh, look at that one, man.
Let's go look that way.
Look at that way. Oh, hang on. Let's go up this way. Oh, I should know a car's coming. Oh, look at. Oh, it's just the most beautiful clouds I've ever seen, man. Most beautiful colors ever, man. What's with the plane, dude? Where's that plane going, dude? Look at the beautiful clouds, man. It's like a double rainbow. But it's not, man. Come on, Rhythm. Rhythm. What's up, dude? Whoa. Be careful, stay on the street. What's up there? Look at that, man. It's like a double rainbow, but it's not. It's double pink clouds, man. That was lightning, man. That was lightning right behind me here. I heard light. I saw some lightning. I didn't hear no lightning. How can you hear lightning? Oh, I feel rain. I told you that I saw lightning. I just saw lightning, man. Oh, it's gonna start to pour here any second.
Right here. It's raining.
It's starting to pour right now, man. Oh!
Look, Dad, it rains.
I can see. I know I can see from here. I can see trees.
Yeah. What's that up there?
Now it's raining, man. Oh no. Now here she really comes. Goodbye. Here it comes. Oh, jeez. Oh, under the tree. It's pouring now.
I know. I like you. Why are you under the tree?
Look at the pink clouds, man. Let me do some trick photography. I'm gonna do some trick photography now with my pause edit feature on this phone. Here we go, ready? I'm gonna pause the record. Over here, I'm gonna do some MTV editing. Here we go. MTV editing.
Fast.
Oh, there we go. Now we're recording again. It's coming down hard now.
Yeah.
I know, look at the rain. Rain. Rain.
Sun and clouds over there. Rain right here.
Rain.
Is your phone waterproof?
No, the phone is not waterproof.
Well, you have a little water on it.
That's alright. And here it comes the rain up. Nothing but love. Keep positive vibe flowing. Keep the boats coming. ReMiXX.com. You know what I'm saying? Let's do some more creative editing here. Yeah, yeah. Backyard action. Yeah. My tropical jungle back here in the desert. It's coming down good now. Nice and pink, but over here, nice and clear. Oh, soakage. Alright, nothing but love. Have an awesome Saturday night. You know what I'm saying? Why not? Let the animals out of the cage. No, I won't let the animals out. Let them out of the cage. No, I won't let them out. Listen, you guys can't go outside right now. Alright, there's too much rain. You got time for your baths anyways. Alright? Alright? Alright, y'all. Nothing but love.